Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on hair products for beginner friendly. If you are new to the natural hair community, if you are new to natural hair, just start your natural hair journey, you are confused, you don't know the product to use, this video is for you. So you have to sit down, relax, and watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you the products that I use on my hair because I'm also new to the natural hair journey. So I'm going to show you guys the product that I was using when I went natural. So I use this product, this L'Oreal Dream Long shampoo and conditioner. They also have deep conditioner. I love this shampoo so much, and the conditioner is good. It's very good to detangle your hair. It's very nice. I love it. See, it's almost finished. It's here, and the shampoo is somewhere here. The next that I also use is also this Garnier Protein shampoo. This one is also good. I love it so much. They also have a deep conditioner. This also smells good, right? And they are affordable. This one is €3, while this one is €1.99, something like that. They also have conditioner, and the conditioner is nice, guys. So guys, this is also good. And this hair mayonnaise is the ORS hair mayonnaise. It's also good to deep condition your hair. As you can see, I've used it 2 times now. I love it so much. I even have an extra bottle in case I run out of this one. I will run to this one because it's good for your hair, guys. So this is the one that I got recently. I've also used it once. It's also from the Garnier. I've used it once. It's also good. I love it so much. If you want to see a video on this, I'll also make a video on this. This also have a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is so nice, guys. It's so good. I also love it. And here is the Garnier Protein Papaya Hair Food. This one is also good for deep conditioner and raised out conditioner, and also for a leave-in conditioner. It's 3 in 1. 3 in 1. So if you are seeing me looking down, all the products are here. So I'm just going to show you guys. And this is also a leave-in conditioner. Texture My Way Natural Hair Therapist. Easy to comb. It's made with shea butter and olive oil. It's a leave-in detangling and softening cream therapist. So this is good, guys. You can use it to detangle your hair. It's a very good leave-in detangler. So if you are looking for a gel, just grab this Eco Stylish gel. There's no natural get out there that they don't have this gel. So if a color cream, this is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curly Cream. If you are looking for a curly cream, I recommend this one. This one is also a twist and lock gel. So this one is a twist and lock gel. If you are looking for a natural ingredients twist and lock gel, you should get this one. It's sulfate free, silicone free, and paraben or mineral oil free. So this one is the Tresemme. I recently did a video on this two products, the shampoo and the conditioner. If you want to watch this video, I will leave the link up here so that you can go and watch this video. These two are also good and they are also affordable. And this one also, this is the cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, moisture and shine coil activator cream. This one is also good. I also made a video on this. In case you have not watched it, I will also leave the link up there so you can go and watch it. Even on this one here, I recently made a video on it. I'll also leave the link up there for you to go and check it out. So guys, I will make a part 2 of this video. And oil, for sealing oil, I recommend castor oil or any other oil that you want. You can use an oil to seal your hair. You can also use a butter, a shea butter. I made a video on how I use shea butter on my hair. So if you have not seen that video, also I will leave the link up there. And also on this one, I also made a video on this one, how I use it on my hair. This is from Jamaica Mango and Lime Pure Jamaica Black Castor Oil Skin and Hair Butter. This is butter, so this one is also good. I love it so much. So this, I'm going to do a video on this, but I've not used this before. I have this and this. So I'll try to make a video on this for product. I've used the leave-in conditioner. I love it. This one is the Texture My Way Herbal Conditioning Coil Keeper Moisturizing Hair Lotion. It's a moisturizing hair lotion. It can also help you keep your coil. It's omega moisturizer and lock in long-lasting coil to your hair. And this one also is the same, is also the same Texture My Way Keep It Coil, made with shea butter and olive oil. And this one is the conditioner, while this one is the shampoo, sulfate free shampoo. So guys, I think that is going to be all for this video, and I will make a part 2 of this video. I will settle down and make a part 2 of this video for you guys out there that is